Hey traders, John Hall here. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a bit of a stock market update, and this is going to be a much more of a larger picture on what the market's been telling us and what's really going on. And that's exactly what we're going to see here. And what, you know, if this market does start to crash, where are we likely to go down to, and so on and so forth. So let's get straight to it, guys. Do not play today based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There's no guarantees of making money in the market, so be smart about the way you're trading. Also, guys, I only have a few spots left open for my 12-month private weekly coaching program. So if you'd like to learn my trading system that gets a very high win-loss ratio, if you'd like to get my coaching for 12 months and for me to help you get better and better and better at your discipline, consistency, and patience, and give you the guidance every single week, then I open up my coaching program once to twice a year. This is the very first time I'm opening up for next year. This is for 12 months. If you're interested in that, then click on the very first thing in the description below, go fill out the application form, and I'll speak to you on the phone real soon to see if it's a good fit for you. Anyway, let's get straight into the markets right now. And one thing I want to share with you for starters is I want to share with you what's going on here with say the Nasdaq and all these other markets. Okay, now let me do this here for starters. Let me bring this over here. I want to do this. Let me see if I can bring this over here. All right, cool. So I'm going to bring up to the left here, right? To the left here. And the reason why I'm bringing up the charts here, because I want to get my charts squeezed up as much as possible. So see this right chart here? That's what I'm trying to get. That's what I'm trying to get Actually, you know what? Let me just do this here. I think this would be a lot better if I just did something like this here. All right, and let me just bring that over through here. You know what, let me just do this from here to here. So I'm going to bring that over from there to there, and then I'm going to bring this over here. And the reason why I'm doing this, guys, is because I want to share something with you, because when you actually look at the market when the charts are squeezed up, you can get a really good view on what's happening on the bigger picture on this market. So, guys, a bit of a tip: if you're trying to see what's happening on the overall picture, bring up just a blank chart like this with black. This is black open, highlight, closed bar charts. That's it. Squeeze it up as much as possible, and then you'll be able to see what's the angles and all that sort of stuff. Now, what we can see here, right, let's actually start with the Dow Jones. What is the Dow Jones saying? Well, the Dow Jones actually made like a big double top, and it's just going sideways here. Really nothing. There's really nothing there to tell us it's not really bullish or bearish. The one thing I do say when it comes to the stock market is that how much of a sideways phase we're getting here right now. So see all this sideways phase here that we're getting on this long-term weekly chart? Due to the fact that we're getting that sideways range, which means the market is building a lot of energy right now, or creating a lot of energy. So if it breaks up or down, we're likely to go for a big run. So if it is down, we're likely to go for a big run. Now, where is that? If it goes down, then we're likely to head down to around that, I would say $18,000 level would be the target for me there. That'll be my first stop. Now, not in one day. It may happen in 1 week. It may happen over a couple months. Okay, so be smart. I'm not saying the market's going to crash straight away, but once again, we need to see a break below 24,000 for the stock market to go down. Same for the S&P 500. But what is the S&P 500 doing? And let me see if I can bring this chart over just a little bit more to get a bit more of a guidance through there. Actually, not. Let me squeeze this up a bit more. Let me go there. Yeah, all right, fantastic. So what can we see here on the S&P chart? Well, we can actually see that this could be some sort of right shoulder. This could be a head. So we could be forming some sort of right shoulder here on this big, massive long-term time frame. That does mean that if we spend another couple of months, it may happen. We don't know. Another couple of months just filling in this sideways, and then we break down, especially below this 2,600 level, which is that level through there. And as you can see, right, you can see on this chart to the right that it gives you a much bigger, much easier picture to see where's going on. Where is significant support and resistance? Significant support right now is 2,600. Where is the next major support level? 2,200, right there. As you can see, right, basically from there to there is zero. This is what you call white space, where there's almost zero support. So once it starts to break this level, we're going to have pretty much a free fall. I tell you what, guys, I'm getting so excited right now. I am absolutely getting so excited. Now, being patient, preparation meets opportunity. That's how you get lucky in these markets, right? And so by knowing exactly how to read these charts, knowing exactly what type of setups to look for, oh my goodness, trading I'm so excited for the next couple of years. I really am. And the same for the Nasdaq as well too. Look at the Nasdaq. right? But Nasdaq's actually creating a much nicer, cleaner, clearer picture than any other indices. What is it doing? Well, as you can see here, right? Let me see if I'll bring up a circle here. Let's make it eclipse. All right. So what do we have here? We have, this is the left shoulder here. This could be a head. So we could be forming some sort of right shoulder here. Now, once again, where is that line? That line through there is that 7,000 level. See that 7,000 or 6,800, that this level through here? That's the line in the sand for the Nasdaq. As you can see, right? Where is the next significant support level? Down here at 5,000 or 5,500. Look at this white space, guys. Look at this white space. Now, it may take a few months for that to happen. It may take it may take a month for that to happen. It may take 3 to 6 months for that to happen. Meaning that if we do start to break below here, it could go down really quickly within a month, or it could take 3 to 6 months. You don't know, right? So what I'm saying here right now, guys, is that as we can see, right, by looking at the bigger picture in the way that I'm showing you right now, you get a much bigger picture, a much clearer picture on what these markets are doing. So whether this is silver or gold or a stock market, stock charts, you can start to get an idea of, oh, look what's happening right now. And I'm telling you right now, guys, once the Nasdaq starts to break below 7,000, I'm definitely looking, all I'm saying right now, guys, is that I'm so excited, right? Because preparation meets opportunity. And it's going to be such an exciting time in this next couple of years. And people that are prepared, people that are not being egotistic and try to have a view on these markets, but have a non-biased view and read what the market is telling you and wait for that right opportunity to either short it or buy it. And get ready for that really good opportunity. We are getting ready for another great big short coming up right now, especially on the indices. We're showing that right now, right? So it may take another 6 months for that thing to unfold, but once we start to break that level, there's nothing but white space from 7,000 or 6,100 right down to around about that 5,000, 5,500 level on the Nasdaq. We're seeing that right now, guys. So guys, that's the reason why right now preparation meets opportunity, and this is so exciting right now. And I'm just, over my last 15 years of trading right now, guys, I've never been more excited in my life because of what I know about these markets, where we are in the cycle of things as well too, and what's happening right now. So, but once again, guys, this right shoulder here right now, this still could take a bit of time to form. So we may go sideways for a bit here. We don't know. So don't ever preempt, don't ever think you know what's going to happen. Wait for confirmation. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this training course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.